Mosa, quality in life. Mosa's products are precision design. All you need is a simple twist. Let's get started. To begin, the colder the temperature of the liquid, the better the CO2 carbonation. For those who enjoy gourmet food, here is how to proceed. After filling the water, twist on the cap. Make sure to tightly twist and lock the cap. Insert a Mosa manufactured CO2 gas cartridge into a charger sleeve. Twist the charger sleeve onto the cap. You will then hear the sound of CO2 entering the bottle. Shake the soda splash bottle. It is recommended you shake it 10 to 15 times per gas cartridge. If you prefer additional carbonation, you can add up to one more CO2 gas cartridge. Please note the volume suggested on the bottle. The gas cartridge is a single-use product. Please recycle after use. Twist on the protective cap. You can put the pressurized soda splash bin into the refrigerator for a few hours to make it more fizzy. Press the depressurized button before you open the cap. Keep your hand away from the pressure release hole. Don't play with the released cold gas. Take off the cap and enjoy the sparkling beverage. Refreshing. Mosa Soda Splash. Enjoy quality in life.